we have packages, and as you guys can see right now, one is from Amazon and the other one actually is the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D that we'll be unboxing. Sadly guys, well, I just forgot to order the RAM, so I ordered the RAM. It will come tomorrow, but I want to just set these things up first. So it's the AIO, it's the motherboard, and it's the 7800X 3D processor. So without wasting no more time guys, let's get straight on into this video. So honestly, I don't know really how it will look like, but let's just cut this right through. And let's be a bit cautious so we don't just ruin anything. Oh yeah, baby. We have insane stuff here. So first of all, we can immediately see the AIO, which I don't know why the box is opened. Imagine this is okay. Now this box is open, but you guys will see soon why this was really bad for me. Let's just watch and see. Exactly like this. So this is the NZXT Kraken Elite 280 RGB, and with that we decided to pair it's the Gigabyte B650E Aorus Elite X AX Ice. So let's put these ones to the side for now, because I mean my camera is about to die. I'm just a dumbass who does not charge my camera, guys. But yeah, that's just how it is. I tried opening this package with one hand, but it just wouldn't want to open, so I cut that part. But if you look inside now, I can't even open it right now. That's how bad I am. Wait, give me a second, guys. Dude, just look at how much paper it was in this box just for a processor. But hey, I'm not even complaining. But as you guys can see right now, this is the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. It's the Zen 4 CPU, and what's special about this one is that it's got the AMD 3D V-Cache technology, which is really good for gaming because it gives you low latency. So as I said, we need the RAM as well, but I think I'll try to hook these up one right now. So I have to charge my camera, guys, but I mean I'll see you guys when it's all done.
3 days later.
What we're gonna be doing right now is install the CPU. CPU installation done. Looks pretty nice. Guys, so sadly I couldn't hold the camera and put the processor in at the same time, so sorry about that. But you know, the RAMs will come tomorrow, but I just gotta check. Let me see. So I mean the camera will focus right now. A2 and B2 first, because we're gonna be doing dual channel. So this one and this one is the slots we're going to be using, because I only have 2 RAM sticks, not 4. And oh, all right, wait, it has a USB-C port. So on my last motherboard, because it was a cheap one, we didn't have this, and it was a super old one. This one has it now, so now we can use our USB-C port on the case. Let's look at the AIO though. So let's just open it up. Oh my, okay. So here's the thing now, I have never in my life installed an AIO. So, alright. I mean, I guess we'll see what we can do, but actually guys, I'm gonna have to leave this for tomorrow because I have to wait for the RAM sticks, and it's around 9-10 p.m. right now, so I actually have to sleep for tomorrow because I have 2 tests. But you guys I'll just fast forward to tomorrow, so yeah. Yeah, so we have to actually talk. Now, it's been a whole week since I actually recorded that clip. The thing is, Amazon sent me a used package that was defect. It didn't have any accessories, etc., nothing. And apart from that, I got a replacement unit, and that one as well was literally used and defect. Once again, bro. I had to contact Amazon, you know, like 20 times just for them to understand, and finally we got the new third one AIO that is brand new. But I mean, it just like, I don't get what Amazon are doing with this thing where they send used packages, but I mean, at least we've got the new one now, so let's just skip on and let's reveal the PC.
Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
Alright, so we're in Fortnite right now, and as you guys can see, actually before I couldn't even get 240 FPS straight in the lobby, bro. And it's just insane. So the PC specs right now is the RTX 2080, and for the CPU is the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. We have the NZXT AIO, the 280, the Elite one in white. And we have the T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 32GB CL30 6000 megahertz, so it's a pretty fast RAM. All right, let's oh my, wait, yo, wait, nah, why is this so smooth? Wait, I've never had like 240 this straight before. No, wait, we have to actually start. Wait, this is actually insane. Wait, oh my, no, wait. Whoa, what's the delay, bro? Nah. Oh my, no, wait, this feels so weird. I can't even build right now. Oh my god, you guys don't know how smooth it is, bro. The question you guys have all been wondering right now is, how much FPS do we get? So before switching this on, guys, I just want to say, before with my old CPU, which was the 11400F, I was getting like 350 at top max, maybe 360, but I couldn't even hit the 360 mark. So let's just apply this and see. Oh my god, what the what 700 close to 800? No, oh my god, guys, nah, this is actually insane. Like, what? 800 FPS, and I haven't even tweaked much yet, so we'll easily get like 700 to 800, like easily, guys. And I have OBS right now recording as well, so that eats up a pretty much chunk of the FPS. So I mean, that's just insane, guys. Wait, let me see if I can cap 360. Oh my god, it's capped. No way. But alright, thank you guys for watching till the end. I hope you guys liked this video and can subscribe, because thanks to you guys, I actually got the motivation to upgrade my PC and make a video about it. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.